Okay, video blog check everybody. Azrael here at may bago na namang smartphone si Honor Philippines. So ito yung kanilang Honor X7D smartphone na ang kanyang selling point here is super water resistant daw siya. Well, finally, masusubukan din natin to. Babasain natin to. Pero bago yon, unbox muna natin tong Honor X7D from Honor Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Alright, na-unbox ko na and I got the desert gold color, the Honor X7D. Tanggalin natin yung casing, no? Kasi ito yung pinakang exciting part na gagawin natin is the water resistance test. Alright, let's do this. Alright, water test done. Slight drop test na rin din. Ay, matibay ito. At yun nga, water test nag-survive. At well, sabi nila it can survive of a 24 hours of rain, which is next time tatry din natin to. So yan na muna for now for the Honor X7D from Honor Philippines. Abangan nyo yung aking super unboxing camera test at maraming punishment na gagawin natin dito for the water resistant, super water resistant test mamaya for the launch of the Honor X7D. Alright, so kita-kits muna tayo. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video vlog adventure. Alright.